Okay, what's up YouTube? It's Spacey AI one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. So I want to talk to you guys about the browser use web UI. Now I did do a video previously about browser use, but I did not show you guys that there's actually a web UI that you can set up to make it a lot more streamlined and to have a user interface that you can interact with. It's really cool. So I want to show you guys how to do that. Now, I'm going to leave the link to the GitHub page in the description, but what you want to essentially do, you want to go ahead and clone this GitHub page. So you want to copy that, and then you want to go to the folder location. So for me, I'm just using this folder, and then you want to go ahead and say open in terminal. And then once you do that, you just want to say git clone, and then you want to paste the URL, and then you just go ahead and clone that into that directory. Now, once you clone it into the directory, you want to cd into the directory. So you want to say cd web UI. Now you want to also create a Conda environment. Now you have to have Anaconda installed to your system. So you want to say Conda create name, and you want to basically state the name of the environment. So you want to say it's browser use, and you want to go ahead and create that, and then you want to say proceed. And then essentially once that's done, then you can go ahead and activate your environment. So you just want to copy this and paste that here and activate. Now, once your environment is activated, you can then follow these instructions right here. So we have some instruction on how to install the web UI service. So you want to go ahead and copy this command right here. So you copy that, you paste that right here, and you install the requirements. Once that's done, you want to also install Playwright. So you want to also copy this and then install Playwright. Now, once Playwright is installed, you should be able to access the web UI by typing Python webui.py. That should go ahead and load up your web UI instance. So if you control click that URL, you'll be able to access your browser use web UI instance. As you can see, it's really cool. You can configure the LLM that you're using. You can configure the model, temperature. You can also configure the API key. You could control all the settings from here, as well as all the browser settings. And you can also save your configuration and load configuration as well. It also records by default. Now you can change those settings here. If you go to browser settings, you can choose whether to enable or disable recording. But I think that's pretty cool that you're able to actually see the recording of what you do. And then you can also check the results here. If there are errors, you'll see it right here and things of that nature. So this is really cool. Nice web user interface for browser use. It's way more intuitive than code and way easier to use. So let me know what you guys think about that. Have a great day. Spacey AI signing out. I'll be putting out more videos like this in the future, but have a great day. Spacey AI signing out. Peace.